side, Brighton, Michigan. She runs in the limited street category over there on the NMRA side.
.807 to 164. Going to be the right-hand side for the lady.
Samantha Moore, limited street star for the NMRA at Brighton, Michigan. 2014 Mustang, qualified number one a couple times over the NMRA last year. Went some rounds with Mike Serrano out of Douglasville, Pennsylvania in the CTSV. Here we go, Samantha Moore, 1:19.60 foot time. There she goes. Top end quarter mile. How about an 8:00, 170 miles an hour. Great run. Samantha Moore. Not sure if her parachute got hung up a little bit, but looks like got the car slowed down safely.
Samantha Moore coming out of Brighton, Michigan. Going to be the Mustang left-hand side of the racetrack right there. Went 8 flat. Trying to go to 7 seconds zone. Tony Phillips, Knoxville, Tennessee. The Supra. 2JZ Symphony here in the right-hand side. Let's see what they can lay down. Once again, we have gone all-wheel drive to 3 and 4, all-wheel drive 3 and 4, and we're into rear-wheel drive slick. So once again, rear-wheel drive slick, 8th mile. We need you in lane number 7. Hits the tire right there, but look at that. Phillips looking pretty good. Top end charge on the boost. Going to go 714 at 199 miles an hour. Trying to get to 6 seconds zone, but goes 714 at 199. David. Here we go, Samantha Moore. Coming on the left-hand side of the GLT Performance VMP Supercharger, Magnum Supercharger.
Our parachute fixed, let's say that's a good thing.
Parachute's fixed, that's good. Carter Daniel coming out of Crownsville, Maryland here. The Mustang Cobra convertible 1320 fabrication. Jason Avey out there helping out, of course, the man, the myth, the legend. We'll take all-wheel drive. The 5 and 6, please. All-wheel drive. We'll take you. All-wheel drive. We'll take you. 5 and 6, please. Carter Daniel right here. Turbocharge entry pumps in. Watch the bubble top. Tearing the front wheels out for Samantha Moore. Getting out of it right-hand side. Here comes Moore trying to go 7. Oh, it looks like it exploded out there. 8,1054, and I think the motor let go right at the finish line. Either that or a transmission, but I'm going to go with engine.
Looks like Samantha Moore possibly lost a motor out there. See the officials already, safety car rolling down there waiting to get the report.